With the addition of 25-watt charging and a 13% larger battery, it's now time to see how long it takes to charge to 100% on the Z Flip 4. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube for SamMobile TV. Here's our Z Flip 4 versus Z Fold 4 battery charging test. A quick rundown of the battery specs. The Z Flip 4 now has a larger 3700 mAh battery with support for 25-watt wired charging. The Z Fold 4 on the other hand is pretty much the same as before, using a 4400 mAh battery with the same 25-watt wired charging. Both devices are charging from 1%, and we are using the official 45-watt chargers from Samsung, as it is what we have available for this test. With that out of the way, let's get into it. Now, starting off the charging test, both phones are charging from 1%, and we are using the wattage reader on the Galaxy Z Flip 4 just to see how much watts is being pulled from the wall and see how close it does use up to 25 watts that it does support. Both do indicate super fast charging is active and ready to go, and we're going to be measuring at every 15-minute interval to see where we are. So at the first interval, we'll see that the Fold 4 is at 24% charge compared to the Flip 4, which is at 19% charge. So the difference is 5% between the two, and we'll check out the 30-minute interval next to see where we are in terms of the percentage for both these devices, both using the 25-watt charger. So at the 30-minute mark now moving to, we do see that the Fold 4 is now at 44% charge compared to 39% charge on the Flip 4. And if you are paying attention to the wattage reader, it is actually reading somewhere between 10 to 15 watts on a consistent charge basis, especially when we look at this phase going up into 45 minutes. And at the 45-minute mark, you will see that the Fold 4 is now at 60% charge compared to 57% charge on the Flip 4. Very interesting and very close considering the same charging speeds and the difference in battery capacity between both these foldables. 60-minute mark next, the 1 hour mark, and at the 1 hour mark, the Flip 4 now does have 75% charge compared to 77% charge on the Fold 4. Nearing close now to the 75-minute mark, 1 hour and 15 minutes will be our next interval. And at this interval, how close to 100% will we have for both these devices? And you'll notice that the Fold 4 is now at 92% and the Flip 4 is at 91%. So much closer to the finishing line on both these devices, much closer at this interval. And you would think that at this time, the Flip 4 with the smaller capacity should finish charging first. But in fact, the first to finish charging is the Fold 4 at a time of 1 hour, 23 minutes, and 15 seconds. Next will be to see how long it takes for the Flip 4 to charge 100%. And that time is 1 hour, 28 minutes, and 31 seconds to 100% for the Z Flip 4. In conclusion, although the Z Flip 4 now supports 25-watt wired charging with the same battery size as the 6.1-inch S22, it does indeed take longer to charge 100% compared to the S22 models, which are much closer to the 1 hour mark. This might be down to how the 25-watt charger works with the split batteries in the foldables, but regardless, these are the results that we have. What are your thoughts on the charging speeds of the Flip 4 and the Fold 4? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.